Hey guys, so this is Vlogmas day 5 on how to make money online, probably without spending a dime or with spending just a little amount of money. Guys, this is so simple right now, and this is as simple as ABC, but I'm going to be sharing everything with you in details. This is going to be about the things that you already have in the house right now. Even as I'm walking on the street right now, guys, this is as simple as I'm walking on the street right now. It's as simple as that, man. But basically what we had to do is, before I get into that video right now, make sure you click on the subscribe button right now. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. There's a thumbs up button below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like this video, and make sure you leave a comment down below this video. Let me know whatever it is that you don't understand about this video, or let me know whatever question that you have about this video down in the comment section below right now. Guys, this is so simple right now. And so basically what this today's tutorial is all about is as simple as you making video of the things that you already have in the house right now. And there's a two-way you can do this right now. If you are the type that you don't like to make videos, then you can start a blog right now. You can start a blog channel right now where you talk about the things that you already have in the house right now. Guys, now I'm going to explain this to you step by step right now. So look at this bag that I'm carrying right now. Look at this bag that I'm having on my shoulder right now. Guys, man, I can go ahead and make a video about this bag that I'm carrying right now just with my phone. You can see I'm doing this with my phone right now. I'll make a video about this bag right now, what I like about this bag, what I don't like about this bag, how this bag has been able to save my life, help me to do the things that it has made my life to be easy and all that. All I just need to do is to make a video about the bag. And guys, I don't need to show my face doing this, guys. Do you get what I'm saying? Guys, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. As little as a pen right now that you have in the house right now, you can make a video, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10, 20, 50-minute video about that pen. As long as you have something to say about that pen that you have in the house right now, just make that video about that pen right now and upload this video on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram talking about that pen. And what you need to do right now is to go on Amazon. Go on Amazon right now and go sign up on Amazon Associates. There's what they call Amazon Associates right now. Go on Amazon Associates right now, sign up on Amazon Associates as an affiliate. That's what Amazon Associates means. When you sign up on Amazon Associates right now, you get a link to that pen, whatever it is that you have in the house right now that you already bought in a long time. You don't even have to spend a dime to do this that I'm showing you right now. You have that pen right now, or whatever it is you have in the house right now, either the bag, either a bowl, either whatever it is in your kitchen, either the knife kitchen, the fork, the spoon, whatever it is, guys, in your bedroom, in your living room, whatever it is that you have right now, you can go and make a video about them right now. And then what you need to do is go on Amazon right now, search for that thing that you have on Amazon. I have a video on this channel that is going to show you how to sign up on Amazon Associates. Then when you sign up on Amazon Associates, you get a link to that product. Everything in that video is on this channel right now, where how to show you everything how to sign up on Amazon Associates. Get a link to that thing and put it in the video you do about that pen that you have right now. It can be anything, but I'm just using the pen as an example. Get a link to that pen. Once you find that pen on Amazon right now, sign up on Amazon Associates. Look for that pen. Once you sign up, you're gonna find out just search for that pen. Once you get the pen on Amazon right now, then just get a link to that pen where that link is right now. Get a link, the link affiliate link. Bring that link right now and put it on this video that you do about that pen. It's as simple as this right now. Put the link on your Facebook, put the link on your YouTube, put the link on your Instagram bio and all of those things. And when you make that video, make sure you're telling people to go, if they are interested in this pen, make sure you're telling them to go and get this pen in the link that is down below. And when they're watching that video where you're reviewing the pen, the video you did about the pen and how the pen has saved your life, how the pen has done whatever it is that it has done to you and all that, make sure you tell them to go and click the link below the video they are watching right now. Like this video you're watching right now, if I want to sell, if this video you're watching right now is actually about maybe a pen or about this bag that I'm carrying right now, I'll tell you, okay, this bag you're seeing right now, man, there's a time that that I've traveled, travel interstate and all of those things, and I don't have to hold anything on my hands because I have this bag. I've been able to put things in this bag that I don't have to hold in my two hands right now, and all I just need to do is to put those things in this bag. And this bag have saved me so much. This bag has done so much help to me that I can never forget this bag, and I can never let this bag go and all that. So me doing the video about this bag, I put the video right now on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram, and I've gone to Amazon to sign up on Amazon Associates, and I put the link to this bag. Guys, let me tell you, once people watch that video and they click the link that I put below this video right now, as they are clicking that link and they are buying this bag you're seeing right now, as they are buying this bag you're seeing right now, I'm making a commission, guys. Look at how simple this is. As they are clicking the link that I put below this video you're watching right now, if you click the link that I have below this video right now and you click and buy whatever it is I'm putting below this video right now, I'm making a commission, guys. This is what it's called affiliate, or on Amazon it's called Amazon Associate. You sign up as an Amazon Associate. When people buy anything from the link that you have in their video, you are going to make a commission, guys. This is so simple that you don't have to stretch yourself to do this, guys, man. I'm telling you right now, this is so simple that you have to go get started right now. And I'm telling you, you have more than 10 different things right now inside either your living room or your bedroom right now. You have things that you can just make a video of right now, and once you make that video, go on Amazon, sign up on Amazon Associates, and once you sign up on Amazon Associates and people buy the link from that link that you have in your video, you're going to make a commission. It's as simple as that, guys. Those things that you already have in your house already, you don't even need to go and buy all those things right now. Those beds you have right now, those chairs you have right now, all those things are on Amazon right now, and when you make a video about them and you upload that video online and people go and sign up and people go and buy those things with the link that you have, you're going to make a commission right now, guys. This is the simplest way to make money online right now. I'm telling you right now, don't delay right now. Go. This is one of the ways that you can make so much money online right now before Christmas right now, guys. You don't, and man, I don't want to overemphasize this right now, but I'm telling you, this is the simplest way to make money online without spending a dime right now, because some of the things that you're going to be making the video about, they are already in your living room, they're already in your bedroom, they're already in your kitchen right now. All those things, even the things you're wearing right now, you can make a video about them, guys. The things you're wearing right now, this little, as cheap as this clothes is right now, I can make a video about it and go to Amazon, find this clothes on Amazon, get a link to this clothes and put it in my video right now. And when people buy from the link I upload and from the link I have in my video right now, I'm going to make a commission. It might be a little, but the more you do it, the more people that watch the video, the more sales you're going to get, guys. I hope you're getting this right now. Let me know in the comment section below right now. Ask me whatever question. If you want more details about this video, I'm going to make it available for you right now. I'm going to get to just whatever question you ask. Put the question down below right now. I'm going to make that question, I'm going to explain it better for you. It's as simple as that. So you can see, if you have cars right now, just make a video about this car right now. Look at these cars that are behind me right now. You can make a video about all these cars behind me right now, and you have a link to these cars below right now. When people go and buy from that link that you have, you're going to make a commission, guys. You see how simple Amazon Associates is, or affiliate marketing in general is right now, guys. Man, don't delay right now. Go sign up for this right now and start making money online right now, guys. Man, I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Peace out.